Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths class. Today's concept 3.2 Ordinal numbers. You think, dear students, here they have given one picture of classroom. Here David was confused. David means he is a student of this class. He was confused when his teacher said all those sitting on the first, third, and fifth benches, please stand up. He did not understand the words first, third, and fifth. Dear students, have you ever heard these words? Do you know what they are? Yes, think about it. Let's start with recall. Dear students, observe the given picture. It shows cars of different colors. The first car is in red color, the second car is in blue color, the third car is in black color. Then where is the red car? What is the position of red car? Yes, the red car is before the blue car. And then where is the blue car? What is the position of blue car? Yes, the blue car is between the red and black cars. Understood children? The blue car is between the red and black cars. Then what is the position of black car? Yes, the black car is after the blue car. The black car is after the blue car. Understood children? The words before, after and between give the position of the cars. Understood? The words before and the words before, after and between give the position of the cars. Understood children? Dear students, here there are the animals: frog, camel and crocodile. Let's see the positions of these animals. Okay, frog is in before the camel. Frog is before the camel. The camel is between the frog and crocodile. The camel is before the the camel is between the frog and crocodile, and the crocodile is after the camel. The crocodile is after the camel. Dear students, let us recall the concept by filling the blanks. The dash is before the camel. See children, which one is before the camel? Which animal is before the camel? Yes, see children, frog is before the camel. The frog is before the camel. So I am writing here frog, F-R-O-G, frog. And the camel is between the frog and the dash. The camel is between the frog and dash means yes, the camel is between the frog and crocodile. So I'll write here crocodile, C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Okay, and third one, the crocodile is dash the camel. Where is the crocodile? What is the position of crocodile? Yes, the crocodile is after the camel. So I'll write here after, A-F-T-E-R. Understood? Okay. Next, remembering and understanding. Dear students, look at the picture. Here, chicks walking in a line. We can give each chick a position. There are 5 chicks in a row. We start counting from the left. We number the chicks as first, second, third, fourth and fifth. These numbers which tell about the position of the objects are called ordinal numbers. Understood? What is meant by ordinal number? Yes, numbers which tell about the position of the objects are called ordinal numbers. Dear students, then what is meant by cardinal numbers? What is meant by cardinal number? Yes, the numbers ONE 1, TWO 2, THREE 3, FOUR 4, FIVE 5 and so on are called cardinal numbers. Understood? The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on are called cardinal numbers. See children, these are called cardinal numbers. We count like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And these are called ordinal numbers. We count like a first, second, third and so on. This is called short form. Short form means writing in a short, that is called short form. Okay. Dear students, cardinal number start from 1. 1. Its ordinal form is first, FIRST, first. Its short form is first and write ST, first. And 2. Its ordinal form is SECOND, second. And its short form is 2 and write ND, second. And 3. Its ordinal form is THIRD and its short form is 3RD, third. And 4. Its ordinal form is FORTH, fourth. And its short form is FTH, fourth. 4TH, fourth. And 5. Its ordinal form is FIFTH, fifth. Its short form is 5TH, fifth. And 6. Its ordinal form is SIXTH, sixth. Its short form is 6TH, sixth. And 7. Its cardinal number 7. Cardinal number is 7. Its ordinal form 7th, SEVENTH, seventh. Its short form is 7TH, seventh. And 8. Its ordinal form is EIGHTH, eighth. And its short form is 8TH. Right, dear students? And 9. Its ordinal form is NINTH, ninth. Its short form is 9TH. And 10. Its ordinal form is TENTH, tenth. Its short form is 10TH, tenth. Dear students, the following table gives the ordinal numbers from 1 to 10 and their short forms. Dear students, let us see one example. Here there are some toys. They are ring toy, toy car, ball, toy duck, toy truck. Okay, dear students, now let us answer some questions related to this picture. Okay, the first question is, on which shelf is the ring toy? On which shelf is the ring toy? Yes, this is a ring toy. The ring toy is in which shelf? Yes, first. The rings toy is on the first shelf. First shelf. And the second question is, which toy is on the fourth shelf? Which toy is on the fourth shelf? First, second, third, fourth. In fourth shelf, which toy is there? Yes, toy duck. The toy duck is on the fourth shelf. fourth shelf. Okay students, and third question, on which shelf is the ball? On which shelf is the ball? Yes, first, second, third. The ball is on the third shelf. The ball is on third shelf. And which toy is on the second shelf? Which toy is on the second shelf? First, second. The second shelf, which toy is there? Yes, car. The toy car is on the second shelf. And the next question is, what is the position of the toy truck on the shelf? What is the position of the toy truck on the shelf? See children, the toy truck is on the which shelf? Yes, the toy truck is on the fifth shelf. Understood children? These students, we use the ordinal numbers to denote the position of things. Usually the position is counted from the left to right. For example, we use ordinal numbers to tell the winning position in a competition, and we use ordinal numbers to tell the periods in our timetable. Understood children? These students, look at this picture. This picture is about weekly activities of the students of class 2. Dear students, I will ask some question. You answer the questions. Okay. The first question is, on which day do the students learn horse riding? Yes, students learn horse riding on the second day. Dear students, what do the students learn on the fourth day? What do the students learn on the fourth day? Yes, students learn rock climbing on the fourth day. And the third question is, on which day do the students enjoy fishing? Yes, students enjoy fishing on the sixth day. This is all about the activities of the students of class 2. Next, higher order thinking skills. Dear students, the given image shows the marks of 6 students in a class test. Look at the image and answer the questions. The first question is, who came first in the class? Dear students, to find out the positions of the students, first we arrange their marks in descending order. Descending order means we arrange the numbers from largest to smaller. That is called descending order. So here we arranged the number in descending order. 94 is the highest marks. Then who got 94 marks here? Yes, Vaishnavi got 94 marks. So Vaishnavi came first in the class. Dear students, the second question is, what is Riya's rank? Yes, Riya gets the 5th rank. Okay dear students, today we have completed the concept of ordinal numbers. I hope you all understood the concept. Okay children, see you next class. Thank you.